Mediterranean shrimp bowls. They're so delicious. They're so wonderful. Great for summer. And guess what? If you are a meal prep type of person, you love yourself a meal prep, okay? This is a great one because you can make all of the components, store them separately, assemble, and go. They're easy and they're delicious. They're just bright. They're great. I don't know what else to tell you. They're just great all around. Customize your bowls however you want. I'll show you how I make mine, which I think they're pretty perfect. So let's roll. We're using shrimp. These are some, they're called large, you know, not that large, but they're perfect. Large shrimp, peeled, deveined, tail off, okay? Dry them well on a piece of paper towel because you want to make sure that your seasonings and your olive oil sticks to them. And if you don't do that, then they don't stick. A little bit of olive oil. Obviously, these will work fantastic on your outdoor grill. But guess what? Mother Nature today, actually over the last couple of days, said absolutely not. I'm going to hit you with a horrible storm for a couple of days in a row. So we're going to grill them indoor and it's totally fine. I'm going to hit them with a little bit of garlic. I'm grating it because I wanted to like coat the shrimp. And when you grate it, it just gets really strong and really wonderful. In here, I've got some, this is Italian oregano, this is smoked paprika, and this is a little bit of Aleppo pepper. If you don't have Aleppo pepper, just use a little bit of either cayenne or a pinch of hot pepper flakes, whatever. Aleppo pepper, I think, has like a really nice, almost citrusy note, and I just really like it. So I'm gonna add that in, a little bit of lemon, and because this has lemon in it, I don't like to let these marinate too long, otherwise this will essentially turn into ceviche, meaning that the acid in the lemon will start to actually cook the shrimp and then it'll just change the texture. That's why. So I don't even really let them sit that long, just a few minutes, and then they're ready to grill. But for me, I can just go from here to the grill in no time, which I love. Now, if you wanted to do this days, you know, not days before, hours before, just don't add the lemon until a few minutes before you are ready to cook them. So you could get the step out of the way ahead of time. And like I said, not put the lemon on till last minute. I've got a grill pan, nice and hot, waiting for me. This was actually smoking, so I had to turn it down. Make sure that your grill pan, if it's not non-stick, it is well preheated and it is lightly oiled, otherwise your shrimp will stick. I'm gonna put them on here, just a layer. They're gonna take like, I don't know, a minute and a half per side to cook. And when they are ready, I will show you what they look like. Actually, I'll show you what they look like when we go to flip them. Look at that gorgeous color. They're cooking up beautifully, look at that one. I'm just gonna let these cook for another minute and a half on this side, and I'll do my second batch. And in the meantime, all I'm doing right here is I'm just cutting some cherry tomatoes in half, some of them into quarters depending on how big they are. I'm going to also chop up some dill, a cucumber, and a little bit of shallot, and that's gonna be my salad to go with it. Shrimp are gorgeous, they're done, they smell delicious. Now in my bowl, you can do this however you want. If you want the base to just be lettuce, just do that. I like a little like lemon rice in my bowl. I already have some made. If you want a quick video on how I make my perfect, it's about lemon pilaf, but like a lemon rice, fluffy, let me know and I will upload a really quick video, maybe tomorrow or so, on how to make it, because once you make it once, you'll make it all the time. Serve it however you want, but I'm just gonna do on a bed of rice, I'll do my gorgeous shrimp, which are still a little bit warm, and then lots of this beautiful salad, because again, we want color. We want all of that vibrant goodness. And a little crumbled feta. You don't want feta? Don't add it. I'm just gonna add some right to the center. Like I said, if you don't want it, don't add it. But to me, something like this is perfect because guess what? It's got everything that you want. It has texture, it has color, it has your protein, it has your veg, it has your carb. It is perfection, and this is the kind of food I love to eat, love to serve, and fantastic to make. Oh, is my mic? Oh, my mic was in my armpit. I hope you heard all of that. I do be apologizing. It's beautiful food that you feel really good eating. It looks inviting on a plate, and in my opinion, I just feel like this is the kind of food people want to eat on a daily basis, especially when it's like 100 degrees outside. But it's a good shrimp. It's so smoky. It's delicious. Anyway, make him. You will love him. Check the description down below for everything you need in terms of links, recipe, yada, yada, yada. I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.